สมัครจะ3ทึบ
อันนี้จังใหญ่ๆเบอร์สำหรับยงไม่ยากซีซูแฟนบอกว่าคือในแต่ต้องจันเลยก่อน
เย้พอได้ใช้การประกวดนั่นคือจีการประกวดคัดกันได้ยัยยังไม่ยืนเคยไงearly to mid game đừng bao giờ bao khang khang team make kiểu chờ nái chân giờ mang thấy thằng ba sĩ nè đại lên ba sĩ đâm bóng ba sĩ nó cứ qua cho head flank bên mà cho head hơi cái này bốc hay nào cái bóng trôi bom vô bóng và chẳng cái cho head mặc bom từ lơ ba sĩ này bà sân tiền miền đừng make bốc ao ba sĩ đi lô bán văn nghe sưu khang lang ăn được flank
một tay chạy bóng để sang thayทีมเมนคอนโยvà lẹn đi nan năng bóng chắc vì vìเมนđược mấy AOE pin pin nhá và vìเมนsupport được mấy chán rồi bóng chắc vì tích nhá và tay cái lúc con bị lợiทีมchỉ copy ăn để phá giá vàต่ออีกท่านนึงอันยิงนี่มาได้บอลจะสมัครกรรมการกรรมการของแกที่มือวิ่งกรมบองปนซียูซูนป้าจะเป็นทีมเมย์แต่ได้ด้วยพาหรือก่อนมาตรการเลือกตั้งเป็นคำน้ำจังค่ะควินปีถับบอลโปรเต้ของสมรภูมิบ้าจังตกผู้เจ้าลำสันบ้าอย่านำมันอินฟินิตโนดฮาสโบรสรีที่ทุกท่านได้จำนวนทำไมเราจะนำผมเป็นโดยอันเพียบเมทัลเฟรมสาธมอลเบือนเรือนบานโดยตรการสวัสดิ์ในครั้งผมไปจะสมบูรณ์เองเอาเลดดิสเพลย์โดยใส่สมบูรณ์ทั้งสาวพัฒนาเกมเมอร์ชุ่มนอนทำไมทุกเอทูไฟ
บ่าจังยังอะไรมาเมื่อชั่วโมงนึงแอปเปิลแลมวันบ้านนักแข่งกันได้ยมมาสเตอร์ซาซินโยตามเราถึงการไว้เนี่ยเดินฟรอนไลน์ชื่อมันติด
ก็รัดโยช่วยนั่งผู้จัดการเด้อจังได้มาแล้วbạch nghe nhảy chán rồi phu xây cái đó cả Spiderman pay về đâu ấy bà thấy ốc xe dốt đã solo khiến quay mũi thằng rồi bà tôi kế này bà em
mà thấy bà game này bây giờ mới tới chùa ca đọ cho head map bị sai phớt nha admin tập trung pick up ấy còn nào một ca chùa pick fan tại nào fan đứa xã sư fan đứa hay nói chùa đằng ca còn rõ thì ấy xem mà tham tiếp tập quạt đi kia
ý thang control tiêu rồi bóng xã xuống miên chán rồi tôi sai con mẹ thnu miên đây rồi chúng ta thnu máu bị miên thang này
thấy lúc tiếp mui bà sân chỉ cho hai tập bao chùa đằng Rise and tránh cứ retrieve free này bà lấy giờ mới tới chùa đằng Hero Na đại tờ nói chùa đằng xã sư bàn âm như Hero Na
มันใต้baสีเต็มซื้อชโมลโชว์เธอเอาบอลหมองดินี่ได้เล่นบ้าสีมองcái chăm chiếc skill đi môi nó cả lẫn trong vớiรีโยให้
บ่อันนี้ชื่อเชื่อเรื่องตึกได้ที่มาร้อยเพี้ยนโอ้ยร้อยฟอนตามดอกมาต่อไปบอลเป็นทอมีการดิสปอนมาพิมพ์ตามน้องสมาชิกบอลทีมเมกหนึ่งซีอูซุนก็พูดถึงการกลางหนึ่งล้วนขณะเป็นสายเพิ่มต่อไปจะเป็นบอลเป็นโททอนี้ทำมาเหมือนพรังจะเป็นกับปีเหมือนขนมบุญช่างไปได้ซีอูซุนเป๊ะของโปรการต่อไปได้เอาปีเหมือนพรังจะเป็นตานาคิดได้ไปบานบนต่อไปได้เป็นปีโมโลชิมาเดนช่วยการตรงกับสายโปชิโอการแฉกไม่ได้คิดสายเพิ่มต่อเป็นโรมันอยู่ในบอลที่ตลอดเป็นสายตัวเป็นบอลแต่ต่ออาทิตย์นี้โอ้ยอยู่ในการจะเป็นบอลสายเพิ่มจะมาสายเพิ่มกันรอบได้เป็นบอลตะเมียนโรบอสเบรนที่ซีถัวเราได้ช่วยการบังคับเออร์ลี่เกมในวันไหนแต่บอลโททอไม่แต่บอลมาเคียล
บ่าจังอัดเซอร์เพียปัญหาจานได้โกลตรมแต่บัดบอลออกไปอยู่โกลแต่บัดต้องชวนการโกลจะมีมาจากบอลทีมเมกันนะบ่าได้ในแต่บัดต่อการแฟมโดดได้บ่เยอะเมื่อเติมบัดมั้งเนี่ยยกกระดังได้ชวนสายฟ้ากวาดแตงแต่จำล็อกแต่เลยไรเซนยอมบอกเอาไรเซนบอกกองบักกวาดนังหาคือกวาดทัวร์บอลล็อกละแต่บ่าจังอะไรพอต่อการไว้ช่วยนะว่าจะมีบอลทีมไหนคือโอ้เกมวันนี้เอาไลน์ทำไมมีทำไมขนมกาบัญโจtừขนมทีมไฟโดยขนี้โดยขนี้บ่าจะแล้วโดยฉีกแกมนี้มีปัญหาแต่ไว้ขนี้แต่อะไรออฟชิทิลแต่เราไปออฟชิทิลคือสิ่งนั้น
ช่างเอาไว้ได้สำคัญยังเมื่อแต่ละสปีดช่างก็บอลจะสู้ให้อยู่บนดังไรเซนพอได้ทราบบ้าสีกดโรเทชันเห็นเลื่อนแต่การแฟมพอกดอัพเลื่อนตีบ่าช่างคือเบอร์เอาไว้ซาสู้ปัจจุบันแค่คือลิดมาละเวเลยบ่าช่างขอคนเดียวมาละเวเห็นชนะไหน
บ่าให้น้ำมุ้ยกดมันออฟชิทิลบอกกดมันสะท้อนบ่ามาอย่าง
บ่าปัจจุบันยังก็เลยจะมาช่วยหนึ่งสกอร์บอร์ดนั่งแต่เดินหนังช่วยนั่งสติกิจนักครองโกลกับดอดได้โกลเล่กับมันปะนี้จังแล้วดึงเสิร์ฟปะแต่เราไรเซนออนตราโกลจุดต่อจ้องใส่ไทยเพิ่มบอกช่วยไรเซนโจต่อจ้องสตันเปเปเอาไว้จะเป็นนักยมมันดังไอพอง
มาเอาตีมัน
เลื่อนมันแต่
ไม่คนมาเอาตีเลื่อนไป
ดังไหน
บอสำหรับเจ้าของการบกทีมไฟก็กดดังได้ทำเป็นจอแฮนด์บอลกดจัง
จังอะไรเอาตีบอลบาสีในearly gameจังคู่หนาวตอนไปได้โชว์มาไว้กับไหลโชว์ทอตีปีนี่ที่ว่าจังเหี่ยงชูได้
ไอ้นักคว้าดอมสคัน
เป็นตัวปัญหา
อ๋อเดี๋ยวพายกับมันอันนี้จะเบอร์ซันทัวร์ซาแล้วถ้าทอดหนึ่งมีการสปอนมาจมูกถ้าทอดทีปี
อันนี้คือดอกมาต้นกับท่าบานปัจจุบันยังเลยมาวัดทะเบียนโททอมีการดิสปอนมาโดยเกี่ยวไหนสำหรับไปในไรเซนกับเบอร์ตะการโอ้จมูกโททอนี่เป็นแต่สายเพิ่มมาต่อไฟเดียวอยากโดยสัสรุลวัตถุมีอาจารย์กับไปเป็นไปนั่งโหลดโททออาร์ตเมนหลังวงบุกกบปีอาร์ตเมนเป็นตะกี้ปีโม่อาจารย์กำลังบุกไปเป็นมาพอเป็นโททออย่าบาดแต่เราปีบอลเป็นบอลซี่ยูซูนชนะไปในคนมาเติมเฉมแต่เราใส่เพิ่มทองผลการโจมตีที่ต้องสบายดอกถอยตัวนั้นตัวเลยเราแต่ผลการโยบ้านจมูกนึงพอเบอร์นี้สาธุเองตัวชนะดูยังนะเอาตัวจะมาใส่เพิ่มทีมการขบวนแต่สาธุดาสกินมือการถอยการเต้นไปอยู่สาธุจะเต้นการบอลเป็นไปยังไม่เราจะไปใส่เพิ่มขณะเป็นการไปเป็นสาธิตมันบอลจะไปได้ที่เป็นการโยบ้านพิโซล
บ่าโอ้ยจีมันดังจมูกสาธุมันเต้นเหลือไอ้ไรแสนมุ้ยออดมินเนี่ยนะเพื่อไรแสนจังเนอร์อะไรเกม អត់មានរោណាវាយរៃសែនមិនមួយ3ទេបង
អត់
បាទជាមួយនឹង Secard គម្រោងថ្មីកញ្ចប់ថ្មីជាមួយនឹង Secard MV Page ចំណាយចំណាយ$1.50ទទួលបាន58ពេជ្រនិងលេង Mobile Legends បានមកសប្បាយដែររយៈពេល1អាទិត្យនិងសម្រាប់កញ្ចប់ចាំខែ$6ទទួលបាន235ពេជ្រនិងការលេង Mobile Legends បានមកសប្បាយដែររយៈពេល1ខែពេញតែម្ដងបាទរបៀបភ្ជាប់អត់មានបាក់ទេចុចកាយ1686កាយលេខ1សម្រាប់ជាមួយនឹងសម្រាប់កញ្ចប់ចាំសប្តាហ៍កញ្ចប់ចាំខែគឺកាយលេខ2ទៅជួបកាដងបាទហើយ6ទៀតនោះទៅដល់ load cell card app ទៅគឺភ្ជាប់រោនេះដោយ easy គ្រាន់តែ3คลิกតែប៉ុណ្ណោះ
បាទនិយាយទៅ special សម្រាប់អ្នកដែលលេង Mobile Legends យកតាមទៅចូលលុយក្នុងទូរស័ព្ទរបស់យើងហើយបានលេង game Mobile Legends free ទៀត
ខាងពេជ្រទៀត
បានពេជ្រទៀតអូចំណេញខ្លាំងមក
បាទកប់បាទឃើញណាមិនបច្ចុប្បន្នយើងលេងជាមួយការបន្តដូចគ្នាដែរជីជាមួយកងឡានមួយអាយ៉ាកណ្ដុំឆាប់អស់កងឡានបាត់ហើយដាក់មួយឆ្នាំដាក់មួយចានទៅកាន់ King Area តែគ្មានបញ្ហាស្រាប់ពេលមក live កុំជិះការបាយនេះតែមានការទី3បាទឲ្យពី Ryzen អូយកមកជាមួយនឹង T1 Ryzen Pertolent បាន easy ណូ
បាទអញ្ចឹងដូច game យើងស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ហើយបងវាយគ្នាទាំងឡាយអត់ពីទេយើងនឹងស្រាប់ហើយជាមួយនឹង Hero ដើម្បីនៅ early game អត់មានអ្នកបដិ Ryzen ផ្សេងទេអញ្ចឹង
Ryzen អូទៅហើយជាមួយនឹងការវាយបុកអាត្រេនស្រុបស្គី Cypher អញគ្រូថាចំជើងពី Hero បានមក Cypher ជាមួយជាមួយការលេងកាប់យើងដល់ពិសាស៊ូតែស៊ូដាក់ ski ទី1រត់បានហើយ
ដល់ក
ចុំដើម្បីលេចចេញមកពី RCI ច្រើនមែន
រ៉ានៅ early game តោះឈឺប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយចុះទៅដល់ mid game បាទចេញជាមួយនឹង iTeam ក៏លុបវិញបានមកក្រោយ iTeam ក៏លុបបាន iTeam ក៏លុបiTeam ទី2គាត់អាចនឹងឡាញ់អូជីនេះស្វាញ
ជីនេះស្វាញយកមកបាទគាត់គាត់យកកលឿនមានបានមុនចាំមិនយកបន្តទៅមានបន្តឆៃឆៃហ៎ហើយទៅឈឺ early game យកតែម្ដងបាទគាត់អាយ៉ាជោគជ័យតែម្ដងបច្ចុប្បន្នមកជាមួយ score 3-1ដៃគោលអាល់មេតមួយប៉ាំងចំជាមួយ KD ចាំតាមមួយដល់ថយមួយហៀលមួយដល់ថយដើម្បីការ cover ខ្លួនឯងពីមួយឯងខ្លួនថាបន្តអាល់មេតដេញកាន់ជាមួយ King Area KD អត់ជិះទៅបានជាមួយ KD ឡំទៅពីរបស់ PP សាយផបចូលក្នុងយកបានទៅថតពី C Yuzun សាយផើម្នាក់ឯងក៏ដល់ការឈឺផ្សាពេញអារ៉ាម្ដងតើអ្នកណាមួយជាម្ចាស់បេះដូងអូសាយផើបាត់បង់នេះគ្នាបានជួយការដោះផ្លូវតលព្រោះមិនស្គាល់ខ្លួនឯងច្បាស់
បាត់ភាសាមិនបាន
ទៅទៀតហើយជាមួយនឹងការចូលទៅដល់ដើម្បីការតែប៊ីម៉ូគាត់ទៅការដកថយយកបាន T1 Thread វិញពីសមាជិករបស់ C0 អាចនឹង control យកជាមួយនឹងវត្តមាន Pop Ber ឬមួយក៏ Orange Ber មួយណាស្រាប់ពេល Pop Ber មានការអន្តរាគមយកទៅដល់ថាពេលផ្លូវ mid lane ជាមួយនឹង T2 Thread ក៏មានការក្រាស់ទៅវាយប្រើទៅដល់ពីសមាជិករបស់ C0 ដូចជាលឿនតាមដល់តែយ៉ាងណាមានអត់ទៅច្បាស់ស្រាប់ពេលយើងមើលសាស៊ូអាចការដល់វាយទៀតទេតែមានការតស្បៃដកថយវិញធម្មតា Cancel Team Fight បាទ
និយាយទៅប្រហែលអត់ជិះខ្ញុំសរសើរទៅលើ brand CC ហ្មងតែឲ្យ credit ទៅ brand ណាតែគាត់ annoy គេដើម្បីឲ្យគេអស់ជាមួយនឹង skill ដូចជាមានជាមួយនឹង King Eric ដែលគាត់លេងជាមួយនឹងកតកកាចាបាទបាញ់អាទីវាយកតកកាចាមុនគេយកតែធ្វើឲ្យកតកកាចាក្នុងការទៅអល់តែរបស់គាត់សូន Team Fight តែចាប់គាត់អត់ជាប់ទៀត
เกมមួយនេះ brand ទី2 2 tier
បាទអូបុក ultimate មួយបានកាត់ត skill អូមែនទេពីមកមាន PP សាយផើខ្លួនណាបោះជួយ PP ចូលក្នុង track ខាងមានការថត live សោះជាការថតដល់ជាមួយនឹង game នេះខាងពេលមានការ device សាយផើម្នាក់ឯងទៀតហើយដើរផ្លូវតលព្រោះមិនស្គាល់ម៉ែច្បាស់
អូ smooth មានអារម្មណ៍ថាចូលផាច់ថ្មី see you soon
បាទដល់វាយម្នាក់ឯងក្នុងប៉ម
បាទ Cypher អើយ
Cypher ទៅវាយម្នាក់ឯងក្នុងប៉ម
អត់យល់ហើយថាមិនបានគាត់ត្រូវធ្វើអញ្ចឹង
បាទអត់តច្បាស់នេះ
ស្រាប់ពេលបច្ចុប្បន្នរកមុខ 5k goal ច្រើនមែនទេណាជាមួយនឹង game នេះ T0 កំពុងតែការមានទឹកបអលលេបខណៈពេលនេះគាំទ្រ T0 Sunner កំពុងតែការសប្បាយនេះមែនទេថាបាត់ពីចូលទៅពីចូលទៅដើម្បីជួម 100% ឡើងទៅកាន់ជាមួយនឹងនេះនេះលីអូតែដល់ពេលមួយដល់ថយប្រៅចប់ជើងចប់តាន់ដាក់ពេលពីផាច់វាយសាទូដល់គ្នាខណៈពេលពីការដល់ថយនេះគឺដៃពីម៉ូដែរបាត់មកពីម៉ូដែរជាមួយនឹងអាគ្រាប់ទុនជាតិគ្រាប់ ultimate ហត់ទៅក្រោយយកបានដល់វិគៀដល់ឡំទៅពីវត្តរបស់ពេពេសៀនត្រេនដល់ផ្លូវមីឡានក៏បានទូប៉ាំងធ្វើឲ្យសមាជិករបស់ T0 ឡងចេញក្រៅដូចជារៀងសើបន្តិចតែគ្មានបញ្ហាវត្តមានរបស់ line វាបានការបញ្ចេញទៅ3ផ្ទៃបាទសម្រាប់វត្តមានរបស់ line ដែលថាឥឡូវនេះគឺនៅក្នុង team fight គឺគាត់មានសពីមែនទេដោយសារតែមានវត្តមានរបស់ឆ្នាំចាំបន្តទៅលើគាត់គ្នាធ្វើឲ្យគាត់ពិបាកក្នុងការឡើងអានក្នុង team fight ហើយបើសិនជាគាត់ឡើងក្នុង team fight ក៏មិនអាចធ្វើការផ្ដាច់បានធ្វើថាគេណាមួយរបស់ខាងក្រុម T0 ដែរដោយសារតែបច្ចុប្បន្នគឺខាងក្រុម T0 គាត់យក spam picker ច្រើនជា counter របស់យើងដោយការ picker មួយគឺរួចស្លាញ់តែដល់គាត់
បាទចាឥឡូវមានការតេះយក lot ឬក៏យ៉ាងណាព្រោះដោយសារបន្ទុកគ្នានៅក្នុង game នេះ9នាទីគឺ8ទល់នឹង1ហើយក៏ដូចជា goal វិញលេខ6ខែគឺច្រើនមែនតែបងប្អូននៅក្នុង lot ទី1នេះគឺធ្វើឲ្យវត្តមានរបស់ខាង team mate មិនអាចចូលបានទេអញ្ចឹងជួយកជាមួយនឹង lot ទី1បានទៅលើ C Yusu
អាយ៉ាបាទ lot មួយ5ប្រាវតែម្ដងខណៈពេល lot event tag អញធ្វើសមាជិករបស់ team mate អញមានបញ្ហាដោយសារតែឥឡូវពួកយើងមើលចាក់ដៃណា team mate មាន hero clear នេះមាន hero clear នេះបាទសម្រាប់គាត់ចឹងរៀងពិបាកដែរបាទជួយនឹង game នេះប៉ុន្តែណាមិញត្រឹម lot ទី1ចាំមើលតើចាក់ស្អីតើគាត់ទៅណាក្រោយពេល lot ទី1ដល់ផ្លូវ top lane ទៀត
បាទប៉ុន្តែអ្វីដែលសំខាន់ណាស់នៅក្នុង game នេះសាក់ស៊ូក៏ពិបាកក្នុងការវាយតែចង់ pick up ទៅលើណាគេចង់វាយជាមួយនឹង Asira នៅដៃឆ្ងាយមែនតើដូចចង់វាយជាមួយនឹង Ryzen វាយ Ryzen អត់ដាច់យកមក
ទៅត្រូវ
early game ឥឡូវដល់មកដល់ mid game ហ្នឹងវាយ Ryzen យក hero ណាទៅវាយ Ryzen
ត្រូវ
បាទពិបាកមែនទេ
បច្ចុប្បន្នយើងលេងជាមួយផ្លូវ top lane ក៏មានការដើរទៅជាមួយនឹងវត្តមាន lot ដូចគ្នាដែរប៉ុន្តែ lot នេះដើរម្នាក់ឯងសិនចុះដោយសារតែ lot ធំអីចឹងអាចដើរម្នាក់ឯងបាន
ធំអីចង់ធ្វើអីដើរធ្វើម្នាក់ឯង
ចង់ធ្វើអីធ្វើទៅបើធ្វើម្នាក់ឯងខ្លួនឯងដើរទៅ
ចេះគិតទេ
បាទបច្ចុប្បន្នមានការ clear lane ដូចគ្នាដែរតែដូចបាននិយាយចង់សមាជិករបស់ team mate ក៏ពិបាកដោយសារគាត់អត់មាន hero clear lane ប្រហែលច្រើនទេប៉ុន្តែពីមកគេនេះអាច copy អានទៅរបស់ Asina ដើម្បី clear lane បានប៉ុន្តែពេលសបាយហោះឆាមែនទេមានអារម្មណ៍ថាហោះឆា ready មែនទេជាមួយនឹងពេលក្រាបមានការវាយយកជាមួយនឹង TC ដែរផ្លូវមានយកបាត់ T3 ឡប់ទេស្របមានឡប់ទៅដល់មកយកបាត់ TC ពី CU 0ទៅលើធីមមេតដូចគ្នាដាក់ជាមួយ Paul Play Goal ដាក់ពេលបាច់បាត់ស្គរបាត់8មួយទីមនេះ T3 ត្រែនផ្សល់ឲ្យការបោះជាមួយការយកបាត់ T3 គ្នាថាเป็นប្រព័ន្ធមាន minimal តែតែគាត់តែការបោះបាយដោយណាតរច្បាស់ King រៀបគាត់ជាតិចបោកជាមួយនេះ Hill ដើម្បីការដកថយបុកស្គីលេងបាយខាងពីការកាត់តបុកស្គីជាបញ្ឆៅដកថយមួយប្រាំជាមួយការបុកស្គីអាទៅបាយយកទៅបាត់បង Cypher បាត់ហើយយកមិនអាចអែមួយណាអាពេលពី King លោកចូលឆាមយកតែមកខាងពីការបោះជាមួយអាទៅបាយតរច្បាស់ខាងពី King ជុំឯកដោយការជុំតាមពេលរបស់មួយ King នេះនេះយកបាត់មួយបាត់វាឡាយសោះទូមែនឌីងវាយកជាមួយការបាយយកសាទូយកបាត់សាទូពីទីសោះពីម៉ូតែម្ដងអាយ៉ាយ៉ាងណាចៃអត់មានមីនេះតែស្របពេលផ្ដាច់ពីម៉ូបែបអត់ជ័យជំនះ
เกมที่1គឺបាត់ទៅលើ CUC